Sisagolayan.
Yes, this is my favorite milk tea, matcha milk tea.
This one is strawberry milk.
I see, and they have more and more, correct? Yes, okay, cheers! Cheers! Đây, bánh green tea. Đây, đúng là bạn à. Đây, mình uống green tea, ok? Này, vô. It's beautiful. To drink green tea for what? For the beauty.
To get a drink.
To get the drink. Okay. What kind of drink we want?
Strawberry, coconut, and milk.
All right. And what else? I like matcha milk tea.
Matcha milk.
I want matcha milk tea. And also what they have?
They have honey sweet.
Okay. We try everything, correct? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Hello, Janet. Where you go? I see. You like it? Try it. Try it. Yeah. Yeah. Yummy? Alright. Janet's a good girl. Alright. We go to Dinty. Thank you. It's a Dinty. You guys see the Dinty? This is matcha milk tea.
Dinty.